everybody, welcome back to Jimmy is Promo, and today we will be unboxing and doing a first impressions of the Galaxy Buds Plus. So Galaxy Unpacked just finished, and this was actually one of the gifts that was given to us. And also one of the cool things inside of there is a cover that you're able to use to go around the base or the case for the Galaxy Buds Plus. I mean, it says it's not for sale, but it supports the Olympics, so I'm actually pretty excited to throw that on there. But really, let's just take a look at what the differences are, take a look at what's inside the box, and then give my first impressions of the sound. So for the Galaxy Buds Plus, let's just take this one out. Here's the case. It looks very similar, pretty much the exact same size and dimensions of the original Galaxy Buds. So let's say that we open this up. In this little box here will be the USB Type-C cable. So you'd be able to charge the Galaxy Buds, or you can even charge these things through wireless. And then you also have all the different tips and the wing tips that you'd be able to make sure you have, a perfectly snug fit. Now looking at the case, doing a direct comparison of the Galaxy Buds Plus versus the Galaxy Buds, I mean, really no big difference here. This one's a little bit more glossy, a little bit more shiny. This one's a little bit more matte finish, and pretty much goes the exact same for the buds on the inside. So what you're gonna see is, this one's a little bit more white, a little bit lighter of a color, and it also kind of looks a little bit more shiny. Right over here you can see the left and right, but it's basically written in. For the Galaxy Buds Plus, you're gonna have a little bubble kind of popping up letting you know which side is left and which side is right. Now, the moment that you open up the Galaxy Buds, the very first thing that happened was my Galaxy wearable application automatically connected, and it says, congrats on the brand new Galaxy Buds Plus. I'll just kind of go there, let's activate it. Now, once the moment it connects to the Galaxy wearable application, the cool thing is that it shows you the battery life per each earbud, along also with the case. So what is the major notable differences between the Galaxy Buds Plus and the Galaxy Buds? So in a nutshell, you'll have almost double battery life. You'll have a little bit better sound because there is 2 speakers in each bud instead of 1, and you'll also be able to connect to multiple different devices. So let's just kind of throw these in, and I'm gonna give you guys my first impressions. Okay, so I've got them in the ear right here, and actually I'm gonna go inside of the wearable app first, and I'm gonna see a little bit of what it sounds with the ambient sound. So I'm actually playing with ambient sound right now. I think you guys might be able to see that. So you have 3 different choices on how much you can hear around you. So with the ambient noise, I mean, I don't feel like I'm yelling. I'm able to just speak with you guys exactly how I'd want to, because your ear canals are basically plugged up. And so I have ambient noise turned on. I'm gonna turn it down just a little bit underneath the equalizer. I'm gonna put it on dynamic, so this way it can play really good, also with the Dolby sound. So I'm gonna look at Dolby sound, or Dolby Atmos, make sure I have it on music. It's sitting on music. My equalizer is set up on rock. So here we go, we're gonna go inside of the music. Let's see what it sounds like. I mean, I really wish you guys were here to check it out with me, but all right, let's go. Hey, no bass yet. Just a lot of eert. Hey. Okay. So first off, I mean, it just feels dynamic, like it's like, it's filled the ears. I mean, if that makes sense, like with the original Galaxy Buds, it's like they're just there, just kind of filling in the space, but this just feels like it's kind of expanding all around, just listening, and then just a huge difference with the bass. So you can just tell that there is, one area that would be working with treble, the other area working with the bass together, making just a really good beat, a really good sound. And so I'm gonna go over to just the very next song, just see if there's anything different, a different type of music. Let's head over into something else I've got here. Here we go, let's check this one out. It is it just sounds like a rich, full experience, not just a regular headset, it's just, I mean, I'm pretty excited. I mean, I have, obviously the Galaxy Buds original, and been using these for quite a while. The only thing I'll have to do different is just change my tips, put in the wing tips, have it fit a little bit better, make sure it's inside of there, getting that better sound. But because I use this one almost every day, about 5 days a week, I can tell a huge difference right now. It just has a little bit more premium sound with that Plus. But the main big difference is, like, if you're not much of an audiophile, who cares if, you don't really care so much about the sound or listening to the different types of bass and treble and things like that. and the mids. Really what you're looking at is something that it just has a better connection with multiple devices along with a longer battery life. So if you're not really caring too much about the sound, you're like, hey, I have the buds, they already sound great, but I'm gonna go for the Plus just because of the multi-device connection with the better battery life, everything else, because you're getting literally double, almost double, almost double the battery life, going from 6 all the way up to 11. So now that we got the sound test, the unboxing all done, how about we just kind of throw on this case just for fun? Let's just see what this cover looks like. You know, I'm a little interested to see how it's all going to fit. So it looks like we have a little bit of foam in the middle. So let's throw this. Okay, it just kind of snaps right inside of there. And then putting on the top piece right over here, it kind of seems like it just kind of like fits in there, but it doesn't really stick that hard. So maybe this is just kind of mostly just for marketing, not for sale. Maybe there's gonna be a lot more companies out there making some more, you know, covers and cases that you'd be able to put onto the Galaxy Buds Plus. But it is really cool, you know, that we're able to, and given this stuff right here. But this was, you know, the unboxing, my first thoughts, the first impressions of the Galaxy Buds Plus. But I hope you guys have liked this video. If you guys did, please give this thing a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to hit and subscribe. And if you like this video, then more than likely you'll also like this video. And I'll see you guys later.